Dear students, today we are going to start with electrostatic potential and capacitance. Now, this is the second chapter. In this particular chapter, we will study about the potential energy. Now, question is that why we are considering the potential energy? Why potential, electric potential? Actually, the Coulomb's force or electrostatic force is a कंजर्वेटिव फोर्स जस्ट लाइक ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. तो जिस तरह से ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स है, इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स है, वो कौन सा टाइप का फोर्स है? इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स इज कंजर्वेटिव फोर्स. नाउ कंजर्वेटिव फोर्स मीन्स what do you mean by conservative force? Conservative force, in this we will understand that in conservative force the path is not at all important, only the initial point and final point is important. Means the energy which is present between the initial point and the final point, within this only the charges, or within this only the energy will be considered. दूसरा होता है नॉन कंजर्वेटिव फोर्स. नॉन कंजर्वेटिव फोर्स मतलब कैसे? एग्जांपल फ्रिक्शन ले लो. फ्रिक्शन जब रहेगा? जब तक बॉडी कांटेक्ट में है. व्हेन द बॉडी इज इन कांटेक्ट देन द फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स विल बी एग्जिस्टिंग एंड दिस फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स इज कॉल्ड एज नॉन कंजर्वेटिव फोर्स. तो इसको नॉन कंजर्वेटिव क्यों कहते हैं? क्योंकि जब तक बॉडी कांटेक्ट में है तब तक ही ये एप्लीकेबल होगा. मगर कंजर्वेटिव फोर्स क्या है? कंजर्वेटिव फोर्स इज दैट पर्टिकुलर फोर्स which is depending on the initial point and the final point. It does not depend upon the path. तो ये सबसे बड़ी बात है. तो इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स हो गया, ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स हो गया, ये कौन से टाइप के फोर्स हैं? कंजर्वेटिव फोर्स हैं. और जब भी कंजर्वेटिव फोर्स आता है तब आता है पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. ओके, सो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी अभी हमने फर्स्ट ईयर में पढ़ा था, mgh. व्हाट इज दिस mgh? It is the potential energy of the body due to some height. Suppose at this particular point we have kept one body. तो इस बॉडी का पोटेंशियल एनर्जी कितना होगा? mgh. कितना हाइट है? g is the acceleration due to gravity and m is the mass of the body. So this indicates what? This will be having the potential energy in the body. This type of forces, conservative forces, only will have the potential. In case of this non-conservative force, potential will not be existing. तो अभी हमें इस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर में कंजर्वेटिव फोर्स के बारे में ही पढ़ना है. और कंजर्वेटिव फोर्स के बारे में मतलब क्या है? जो चार्जेस हैं, दैट पर्टिकुलर चार्जेस विच आर ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द कंजर्वेटिव फोर्स विल हैव द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. अब पोटेंशियल एनर्जी क्या है? बिफोर गोइंग टू पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, so what you have to understand, potential energy is that particular energy which is possessed by the body by virtue of its position. Here what we are going to do, this energy will be utilized for doing some work. जब तक उस बॉडी में एनर्जी है तभी वो एनर्जी क्या कर पाता है? वर्क कर पाता है. तो here in this particular concept you have to understand that total work done by the body is equal to the potential energy or potential. So work done by the body is equal to the potential energy. If work is not done, then we will consider that the potential energy is not present. So in this particular case, potential energy of a charge at any point is the work done by the external force in bringing the charge from infinity to that point. इसका मतलब कैसे? What this means? If suppose I am considering a charge, a positive charge is placed at this particular point. So if we have to consider the potential energy of a charge at point it is the work done by the external force. If we say that this is the potential energy, if we say that potential energy of the charge is E, so what actually it is? It is the work done by the external force in bringing the charge from infinity to another charge. If I am bringing from here and I am keeping it at this particular point, so what this charge has to do? It has to do the work to keep the charge here. Because of this field, the charge will be either attracted or repelled, but we don't want that the charge should be attracted or repelled, but the charge should be present here only. तो इस चार्ज को क्या करना पड़ेगा, वर्क करना पड़ेगा, किसके अगेंस्ट में, इस चार्ज के अगेंस्ट में. सो दिस इज व्हाट पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर चार्ज. क्लियर हो गया. सो अभी वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी दैट व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल. अभी हमको देखना है व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल. इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल मीन्स व्हाट. इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल, व्हाट दिस मीन्स, इट इज द वर्क डन in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point, okay, against the electric field. So if same way, if I consider that this is a positive charge placed at this particular point, so from infinity I am bringing another unit positive charge and keeping at this particular point. So if this is the charge, its electric field is in this direction, okay, positive charge is there, therefore the field will be outward. So this is the electric field. So now when this charge I am bringing from infinity to this particular point, then what will happen, this charge has to do some work to withstand the field or force of this particular charge. So what actually electric potential, electric potential का मतलब है ये electric potential at a point in an electric field is the work done in bringing a unit positive charge. I am considering a unit positive charge to infinity to this particular point. So this unit positive charge has to do some work. इसको क्या करना पड़ेगा, वर्क डन करना पड़ेगा, किसके अगेंस्ट में, दिस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के अगेंस्ट में. सो व्हाट विल से, वी विल से द इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल, इट इज डिनोटेड बाय V, इट इज रिटन बाय वर्क डन डिवाइडेड बाय चार्ज. सो इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल को हम कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे, इट इज W बाय Q. W इज द वर्क डन, Q इज द चार्ज. सो वर्क डन in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to this particular point is called as what, electric potential. So electric potential में it is denoted by V. Okay, so this work done can also be written as what, this work done can also be written as energy at the point माइनस एनर्जी एट द इन्फिनिटी. ऐसा हो गया, क्लियर हो गया. सो दिस व्हाट विल बी द यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल, देन वर्क, यूनिट ऑफ वर्क इज व्हाट, जूल, एंड यूनिट ऑफ चार्ज इज व्हाट, कूलॉम. सो जूल पर कूलॉम, इट इज द यूनिट ऑफ पोटेंशियल. और दिस जूल पर कूलॉम इट इज डिनोटेड बाय वोल्ट, VOLT, वोल्ट. सो इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल इज व्हाट, इट इज ए scalar quantity. So electric potential is a scalar quantity. So if I say that work done 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per 1 coulomb. If volt is 1 volt, joule work is 1 joule and coulomb is 1 coulomb. So how will you define the electric potential of 1 volt? We will say that if 1 joule of work is done to bring 1 coulomb of charge from infinity to this particular point against the electric field, that is called as 1 volt. So how we can define 1 volt? 1 volt can be defined as the electric potential at a point is said to be 1 volt if 1 joule of work is done in bringing 1 coulomb of positive charge from infinity to that point against the electric field. So इसको हम कहेंगे 1 volt. So this is called as this is the definition of the volt. Next comes a potential difference. Now what do you mean by potential difference? Potential difference का meaning है difference in the potential. Okay, means at this particular point, if I say that we are bringing the charge at A and at B, so potential at B and A if I say that potential at A is given by VA, potential at B is given by VB. So what do you mean by potential difference? Potential difference is nothing but it is the difference between the potentials at the 2 points. Okay, it is given by VB minus VA. So VA is the potential at point A, VB is the potential at point B. So the difference of two potentials is called as what? Potential difference. So in case of potential difference, we will say that VA minus VB is this is the final potential and it is the initial potential. So difference between the final potential and initial potential is called as what? Potential difference. Now VB minus VA जो है, what this indicates? That potential at B is greater than the potential at A. So potential at B will be greater than the potential at A. And one more thing we have to understand, that because of positive potential, positive charge, positive potential will be created. Okay, and because of negative charge, negative potential will be created. अगर negative charge है तो वो क्या करेगा? This will create negative potential. पॉजिटिव चार्ज क्या करेगा? पॉजिटिव पोटेंशियल क्रिएट करेगा. एंड वर्क डन कैसे निकालेंगे? हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द वर्क डन इन ए फील्ड व्हेन द चार्ज इज मूविंग? वर्क डन इन मूविंग ए चार्ज q, if suppose we consider that q is a charge and it is moving in an electric field through a potential v, so work done will become what? Just now we have seen v is equal to w by q, so w is equal to v into q. So this is another formula which we have to understand for work done. So work done by a charge with a potential v is given by w is equal to v into q. Clear हो गया? So potential जो है, one thing we have to understand that potential of all the bodies are measured with respect to the potential of the earth. So potential of earth is considered to be 0. Okay, why it is taken as 0? Because it is a huge reservoir of charge. इसमें कुछ चार्ज एडिशन करेंगे या सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे तो उसका कुछ फर्क पड़ने वाला नहीं है. So earth is considered to be an electrically neutral and potential of the earth is taken as what? 0. So in case of potential, we have to understand two things, that potential of the earth is taken as 0, and when we will say that the positive potential is there, because of the positive charge, positive potential is created, and because of the negative charge, negative potential is created. Clear हो गया? And this potential difference and potential both are having the unit volt only. दोनों का यूनिट क्या है? सेम है. एंड अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट बोथ आर द स्केलर क्वांटिटीज. बोथ आर व्हाट? बोथ आर द स्केलर क्वांटिटीज. सो एंड इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एट इन्फिनिटी इज टेकन एज 0. क्लियर? सो ये तो हो गया अपना डेफिनेशन फॉर इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एंड पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. ओके, बट व्हाट विल हैपन इफ यू कंसिडर दैट इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू अ पॉइंट चार्ज? यदि मुझे कंसिडर करना है कि इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू पॉइंट चार्ज क्या है. इफ अ पॉइंट चार्ज इज प्लेस्ड एट ए पॉइंट, okay, what will be the electric potential due to a point charge? So for this, what we have to do? We have to take the derivation. We will derive the relation for electric potential due to a point charge. So in this particular case, again we will consider that positive charge is placed at one particular point, and because of this positive charge, if we consider that O is the point where plus q amount of charge is placed, and we consider that P is another point where we have to calculate the potential. Okay, P is another point where we have to consider what? Potential. So here, since q is the positive charge, so electric field is in outward direction. This is the electric field produced. Okay, so now what we'll do, we will consider a unit positive charge unit positive charge and infinity, and now we have to bring this unit positive charge from infinity to this particular point. हमें क्या करना है, यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज लाना है कहाँ से, इन्फिनिटी से दिस पॉइंट पर. ओके, सो व्हाट विल कंसिडर, we will consider that point charge is, we will consider the distance between P, Q and P is x. X is the distance between the point charge P. Okay, positive charge and P points का distance कितना x है, and now we have to bring the positive charge from infinity to this particular point. So Q is the charge which is placed in a free space, x is the distance of Q, and here we will consider that 1 coulomb of charge has to be placed. P is a point at a distance r, and we will consider that before bringing the unit positive charge, to bring it here, what we will do, we will consider A and B. A and B are the 2 point small distance, it is given by dx. A and B is the small distance dx, and at this particular point we will consider that unit positive charge is placed. Unit positive charge is placed at this particular point. So when we bring the unit positive charge from infinity to this particular point A, so this A to B, now before bringing to at point P, we will consider that it is a small distance dx, we are moving the unit positive charge against the electric field, so it has to do some work. Unit positive charge को क्या करना पड़ेगा, it has to do some work. So the work done by the unit positive charge will be small amount of dx, it will travel, so work done will become what, small, so dw will become what, this charge has to do some work. Okay, that work is given by force into displacement. The force is what, F, distance dx is a small displacement, but this work done will be doing against the electric field, so therefore it is taken as what, minus. So negative sign indicate क्या करता है, it indicates that work is done against the direction of electric field. Electric field is in this direction, and we are bringing the positive charge from infinity to this particular point, so the work done will be in the opposite direction. Clear हो गया? So dw is equal to minus of F into dx. Now what is F? F will be calculated by the Coulomb's formula, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught sorry, Q into 1 by x square. क्लियर हो गया? सो F का वैल्यू हो गया, F इज इक्वल टू 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by x square. Now what we'll do, we'll put this value in this equation 1. So dw will become what, minus of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by x square into dx. But this dw is the small amount of work which is moving for a small distance dx. But what we have to do, we have to bring that particular work done, we have to total work done in moving a unit positive charge. हमको कहाँ से कहाँ तक लाना है, unit positive charge infinity से इस point पे लाना है. So we have to bring this unit positive charge from here to here at this particular point P. So here we will find out the total work done by integration. Total work done कैसे निकालेंगे हम, integration. And integration by moving the unit positive charge, कहाँ से कहाँ तक इन्फिनिट करना है, x is equal to infinity to x is equal to x. क्लियर हो गया? सो कहाँ से कहाँ तक लाना है, ये डिस्टेंस कितना है यहाँ से यहाँ तक का, x है. सो द वैल्यू इज मूविंग फ्रॉम इन्फिनिटी टू x. तो अपर लिमिट एंड लोअर लिमिट विल बी टेकन इनटू कंसिडरेशन. तो अपर लिमिट लोअर लिमिट क्या हो जाएगा इसका, सो dw infinity to x. So w is equal to what, integration of dw from infinity to x. Now substitute the value of dw. This is equation 2. So if you substitute the value of dw in this equation, infinity to r, dw is equal to what? Minus of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by x square into dx. So here minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught is a common. We will take common outside, इसको बाहर ले लेंगे. अभी अपने पास क्या बचेगा सिर्फ इधर 1 by x square dx. 1 by x square dx. Now integration part we have to start. तो integration of 1 by x square क्या हो जाएगा? This if we'll take in the numerator. So I will do this integration part here. So integration minus of x square dx will become x to the power of minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Okay. So ये होगा x to the power of minus 1 divided by minus 1. तो इसको हम क्या लिखेंगे? minus 1 by x. ये किसका इंटीग्रेशन हो गया? x to the power of minus 2 का. बट हियर ये लिमिट क्या है? इन्फिनिटी टू x. इन्फिनिटी टू x इज द लिमिट. सो माइनस ऑफ q बाय 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट इंटू 1 बाय एक्स स्क्वायर का इंटीग्रेशन इज व्हाट? minus 1 by x. So minus into minus, what I will do? We will take minus outside. X infinity. So minus into minus will become what? Plus. So it will become q by 4 pi epsilon naught into infinity. Upper limit is x, lower limit is infinity. So it will become 1 by x minus 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity क्या होगा? 0. So work done क्या होगा? q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by x. So this is the work done. So this work done is equal to the potential. So work done is equal to potential. So we'll write V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q by x. So this is the potential due to a point charge. So initially what we have seen the formula. We have seen the initial formula V is equal to W by Q. Now we are seeing V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by x. इन दोनों में फॉर्मूले में डिफरेंस क्या है? Here this indicates that work is given to you at that particular time. We will be using this formula, and this formula when we are using, then when charge and the distance between the charge and the point is given, तब ये फॉर्मूला यूज़ करेंगे. ओके, सो आज के लिए इतना है, बाकी का दूसरे वीडियो में